how to log in to Robinhood account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Robinhood account. In order to do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar here type in robinhood.com. This is the official URL of Robinhood. Once you enter this URL, now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, now you will be taken to the official website of Robinhood. Once you reach to the space here at the top right, you will be able to locate this login button. Go ahead and simply click on it, and then you will be redirected to a new page. In this page, you will be able to locate the login interface. Now here, you will need to enter the associated email address and password of your account in order to log into your account. Simply enter the email address in this first field and then enter the password in the second field. Make sure to enter it correctly. After entering the password, you may also click on this I button at the right side in order to reveal and check whether you have entered it correctly or not. And in case if you are not able to log into your account, you may click on this help button right here, and then you will need to follow the instructions in order to retrieve it. Also, if you would like to keep yourself logged in for up to 30 days, you may click on this checkbox right here, but make sure you are using your own device. Alternatively, you may also use your passkeys in order to log into your account. And if you haven't created an account yet, then click on this create an account link at the very bottom in order to create an account on it. Now after entering all the credentials correctly, go ahead and click on this login button right here. And after that, you will see you have successfully logged into your account. Now here, you will be able to use your account. So this is how you can log into your Robinhood account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.